Hi guys.
Well, that was awkward.
Yes, it was.
So, good morning guys. Happy Monday from Airedale Fencing. The week begins. We've had a bit of bad news this week, so Marc's going to be pretty much out of action for a week or so. He's COVID for the second time around, so hopefully second time around his body's already built up the immune system to obviously defeat it, but obviously it's still must be a bit scary because he almost died first time around, so fingers crossed obviously that he gets better. God bless him, hope he gets well, and we'll see how we get on this week without him. So we're pretty much on with the week, and pretty good week as well, busy week. We've got 3 jobs in for Monday, and then day after we've got down at Stone Dam Mills, so should just take a couple of days for us to do. It's going up in green mesh, some bolted to the wall, some going down the side. And then Thursday we've actually got a company coming out and core drilling some holes for us. So they're going to core drill it, and the lads are going to go around and fit some green palisade, 1.8 metres high. Only a little small job that, so it shouldn't take them too long. We'll see if we can get them another job in the afternoon. We've got plenty of work to fit in. And then Friday we're going to be on a domestic timber job on a Friday. Short lads will love me for that. They'll love me when I put them down on a timber job on a Friday. But yeah, a good week all around, and obviously I'll keep you updated with loads of videos while Marc's away, and obviously all best wishes for him to get well, and I will see you later.
Morning, starting another job. Lovely and sunny today, just over at Sherburn in Helmet, other side of Leeds. Sort of big tennis court we've got to do here. I just can't film so much here because obviously it's a live school, but we're doing this tennis court behind. I'll turn it around. We're just going to replace all this with some 3 metre high twin mesh. It was originally going to be like a ballpark rebound panel, but worked out a bit expensive for them. We've got some gates and that to go in here, and a load of single gates. The lads are just nipping off to get some petrol for the journey. So yeah, should be a good one this, and we'll keep you updated.
Job complete, 3 metre high twin for a football court. It's got a few gates involved as well. I believe there's 3 singles and a double in total. We do also add all these now as well, safety latches for it. We get jet spray out and wash all the crap away as well.
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.
Hi guys.
Well, that was awkward.
Yes, it was.
So we're just here, Friday domestic, just around the corner front yard, BD10. So lads are just clearing out what were here at the initial. You can see wood's up there. So this bit's a bit of concrete, we're just cutting out, cut the post below ground level. A couple of the posts where the gates are going to be dug fully out. The rest of them cut below ground level. So we'll probably start here, bolt onto the wall, and then get our line. The lads are just clearing it out now. I've just been taking this top part down. I'm just going to cut the posts out, as you can see, and then it'll squeeze right onto the end of that fencing. So how we'll work this wall is we've got an extra big post, 3 metre long post. We'll put in the ground and it'll come up and then it'll carry on across there. So, good Friday afternoon. So it's going to be short and sweet this one because it's keying it down. And I don't want to ruin my phone in this. But this is a double-sided paling that we've done for someone just around the corner from the yard, and obviously double-sided paling gate as well with sliding latch what's at the other side, so I can't even get in if I tried, but a lot better if you look at the initial ones of what were there. But yeah, we're going to get off now. I'm going to get this phone away and get myself in van. As you can see, Evans have opened up on us. It's absolutely peeing it down, but yeah. Good afternoon. So we're at Stone Dam Mills. Got about halfway done it, if probably over halfway. It's been a bit of a nightmare dig because there's an old cobble road hiding underneath all this. So it's been hard to get out, but we're nearly there. So as you can see, we're just here. I'll get to that wall and then the rest of it's getting bolted and then coming across and sectioning it off. Show you what we've done so far. And obviously we'll be attaching razor wire along the top as well. Lads are just getting this last all sorted and we'll be packing up. Day's over. And then I'll show you this, we'll come around. So what they're going to do is they're actually going to take this palisade down and then this basically joins into their yard. So they've gone from having this much space at side to having all that down there and all this up here just by taking that out and replacing it with a newer fence. And obviously razor wire, obviously we can't put razor wire on that section at the end just because it's a safety hazard with it, the height restrictions of the steps being so high. So we will start from, I'll actually show you. We'll start our razor wire from probably about that far in, just so no one can get caught from this section here, and then go along. Oh, nearly went. But yeah, be done tomorrow, all done and dusted and over with, and then on to the next job. But I'll keep you updated and I'll show you how we get on tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. So another job complete, well, say complete, just doing finishing touches and we will be out of here. As you can see, so obviously we can't, so what we're going to do is we're just going to cut a little section there. We can only really go to about there, so I'm going to cut that off and then razor wire rest, just because there's someone's fire exit there. Obviously you can't have razor wire coming down, just a safety hazard. So we'll attach that. We've attached stickers to both sides as well, so be careful of it. As you can see, it's looking good. They're not our ladders, so we'll leave them there. Get a better angle. You see that razor wire is all tied up, bracketed, all the ports. We've backfilled it all as well, so there's no gaps. And we're just coming down to the bottom. See, it runs down the hill, stepping, then it goes up onto the wall, all razor wired up. And this will be another job complete for us. There's been a few amendments, guys been out and changed it a couple of times, but we don't mind. We'd rather him come out and change it while we're here than ringing up the day after, so that's fine. You see a little cut there. Lads are just sorting this last hole out now. It's all razor wires. Once we dig this hole, bolt one to the wall and attach the panels, and pretty much good to go. You can see it's bolted up onto the wall at this section, just to keep the height requirement. And then when it comes down, it jumps back down, and then there'll be razor wire along this front. No gate, basically adding a panel to where Baggy's digging the hole, and then a little off cut bolted to the wall. Done job down at Stone Dam Mills in Halifax. Just doing last finishing touches now. As you can see, all razor wire at the top and all inside. Took a little video of all the inside earlier, so I won't go back in. But we're just going to leave this panel off and obviously go provide that because they want to access it and out of it. So yeah, job's a good one, looking good. Lads are ready to get home. It's nearly 4 o'clock. Late one this, isn't it, Jamie, for you?
Is it 4 o'clock?
Yeah. But yeah, another good week at Airedale. We will see you later, guys.